Hey guys, we're back with another tutorial. This time we're gonna create an AI agent which will play a guessing game with us. The guessing game's rules are simple. We're just gonna have the AI choose a word and the AI will give us some hints, and those hints will help us guess the word. Since this is an advanced tutorial, I'm not going to cover how to set up USDK. You can check out the docs for that. That would be docs.upstreet.ai/install. So we're just gonna blitz through this creation process. We're just gonna give it a basic prompt just to get started, but we really don't care too much about this. We want to get right into the code. So yeah, I'm just gonna move through this fast. And there you go. So now we have an agent created at a subfolder. So we're just going to cd into that folder. Now to make this game, we want to generate some random words somehow. We can have just an array of words and just, choose a random index in them, but we're going to use this library called Unique Names Generator, which will make it super easy for us to generate a random name. We're just going to import the unique name generator function, the animals collection from unique names generator, and the other necessary imports. So now we're going to create the generate random name helper function, and all it's going to do is just call unique names generator under the hood with the animals dictionary inside of it. That way, whenever this function is called, it's just going to choose a random animal and return it to us. Now we create our guessing game. This will be the component which encapsulates our entire game inside of it. All the logic, all the random name generation, it's all going to be inside this. So for now, it's just going to return an empty React fragment in it. You can choose to use Redux or use context to keep a global store. But in this case, since everything is going to be in this component, I'm just going to use a simple use state from React, which will maintain the state, the secret word within the scope of this component. Now we're going to use a base tag called prompt, where we can just drop a system prompt for our guessing game. We use React interpolation to add the secret word right inside the prompt. Now we'll use the action tag and give it a function which the AI can call once the user guesses the word correctly. We make sure that we give it a good schema and some good examples. We want to print a congratulations message once this function is called. Now let's start defining what the function will actually do. We define a handler, we pass an arrow function to it. In this arrow function, we're going to first extract the agent and its message from the data. Next, we extract the congratulations message from the args. And finally, we're going to have our agent sort of speak that message. So we're probably going to use the say function to say the congratulations message out loud. Once said and done, we're going to reset the secret word. Now all we have to do is just call our guessing game component within our main myAgent function. And that's about it. This should work, so let's give it a go. We're just going to run USDK chat in the terminal and start a local chat to test out our agent. So our agent is booted. Let's drop it a first message just to get started. Great. It's stored its secret word. And it's given me a hint as well. So I'm just gonna guess a monkey. But it's not a monkey. It seems like it's chosen an animal which I'm not able to guess, but yeah, it seems like it works.